Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add a payee on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Click on Money Transfer from the drop-down menu. In the Payee section, click the Add Payee button. Enter a nickname for the payee. This is not the account name of the payee. If you have multiple payees with the same name, it might cause confusion. So, choose a nickname that helps you easily identify the correct account. Now, select whether the payee holds an HDFC bank account, other bank account, credit card, or an account outside India. In my case, I will select Non-HDFC Bank Account. Enter the payee's account name. Now enter the payee's account number. Re-enter the account number to confirm. Select the type of account from the drop-down menu. Select the branch. To find the branch, you need the branch IFSC code from the payee. Enter the IFSC code and click Find. Click Select. The branch has been added. Make sure it is correct. Click on Continue. Double check that all the details are correct. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Confirm. Enter the OTP received on your mobile phone. Click on Continue. That's it. You have successfully added a payee. You can transfer funds to this payee after 30 minutes. A maximum of 50,000 rupees can be transferred on the first day. After that, you can transfer larger amounts. This is how you can add a payee on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.